This video shows the removal and installation of the front differential on a 99 to 07 1500 chassis GM product. To do that, disconnect the battery, remove any skid plates as well as the front wheels. Next, we're going to take the nuts off of the tie rod ends here where they connect to the spindle. Take those nuts off, break the taper on the joint there to free it up, and that should release it. Do the same for both sides. And then we're going to take the two nuts off of the steering relay rod where that connects to the idler and pitman arms. So you take out the cotter pin and take off the nuts, then put one of the nuts back on enough to protect the threads and lightly tap on it to free it up from the joint to bring it down. Once that's out, rotate the pitman arm off to the side so you can drop the differential past it. You can take off the axle bolts where the flange connects to the front differential, and then the 4 bolts holding the drive shaft to the front differential at that U-joint there on the front end, and then you're going to slide the whole shaft forward out of the transfer case. The next thing to come off will be the connector at the front 4-wheel drive actuator, and then holding the harness to the differential are a couple of clips that you'll need to release. There's also a vent line to the front diff that you need to disconnect as well, and then you can start taking off some of the mounting bolts, just not all of them yet, until you get a jack under it and have it supported. You'll also need to take off the front cross member. Once that's removed, you can get at this back mount bolt a little easier. Support the differential, take out any remaining mounting bolts, secure it to the jack, and lower it from the vehicle. The installation process is the same, just reversed, and I won't bother to narrate that, but you can watch it for some helpful torque specs. I hope you found this useful. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you like and subscribe.